This is a quick demonstration of the Xertis PowerQuote tool. To start, we simply need to log in to store.xertis.co.uk. Once you're at this screen, simply log into your Xertis account. Once you're logged in, you can look for servers in two different ways. You can use the menu bar, selecting the server and infrastructure tab, then narrow down to tower or rack. Or, if you know what you're looking for, you can type directly into the search bar here. Once you have the search results, you can begin to look at individual products with the highlights of the product specification. There is also a compare button to view options side by side. There is a datasheet button here to easily download a product PDF to use in your customer-facing proposal to provide additional information. We are going to look to configure one of these servers. To do that, simply hit the Configure this product button, and this takes us into the PowerQuote tool. From here we can choose New Quotes if you wish to change the product. I'm going to be demonstrating with this PowerEdge R650 XS server, one of our best sellers. There is a description telling you the initial specification. So we can see it has a single processor, single stick of memory, and comes with Windows Server, which is on promotion. You can of course remove this should you wish. If you're an open license partner, just zero out the number. We're going to leave it in. Once you're at this page, you can see a stock levels, pricing on a line-by-line basis, and a live total price. Scrolling down a little, we can see a series of configuration tabs. These are a simplified and efficient method to add and remove desired accessories to the configuration. We're going to add in a second processor. And the good thing about this tool is that you can't do anything wrong. As soon as you make a change that means the configuration is invalid, you get these error messages. So for example, the base system only comes with one stick of memory, which obviously won't work with two processors. So gives us a clear resolution, so we need to add in some memory. Remembering that the head unit has one memory stick, we'll add some in, and all of a sudden the error message is corrected. So we're just going to go through these tabs, add in and build our configuration. Again, if you do this wrong, and I accidentally add in 36 hard drives, we will get an error message saying we cannot do this and a resolution. Also, as we're going through these tabs, you can see our live stock levels here. This is integrated into our ERP system. Additional upgrades. And finally a warranty upgrade. So this is our summary page, which allows us to show all the accessories we have put into the configuration. And as I said, it has our live total price down here. We still have an error message in respect to Microsoft licensing, which is all done now based on core count. We have two processors, each with 12 cores. And so we need to correct this to give it 24 cores of licensing. So we go to the software tab, we'll correct our error. Now that error is corrected, the warning light goes away. Once your configuration is as you want it and you've seen the summary and are happy with it, then we can simply add this to the basket. Once you add it to the basket, it is all very intuitive like most internet shopping. From there, we can save our quotes. Once this is done, we have a few options. Copy to the clipboard, that creates a text file we can add into our customer proposal. We can place the order, and that will go onto your account. Clear the basket and start again. Maybe use a different product if you're in need of all the items to be in stock for quick delivery. As you can see, a couple of these items are out of stock. Or we can export. I'm going to export this. There are a few options on how to export the quote: PDF, Excel or XML, and you can download or send via email, whichever suits you best. So simply hit the export button and this is going to produce a quote in a PDF format. It has our part codes, part descriptions, part quantities and prices together with the overall cost. It also shows any promotions that are applicable and the date of expiry of these. In this case there is a promotion on the Windows license and you can use that in your proposal to the customer. Once that is done, we can revisit the quote when required and as and when we win the order. So that is a very brief run through of the tool. It is simple and efficient to use, giving you quick pricing and availability, and will help drive sales by being so agile.